I'm going to ask you, is there a song whose picturization you're embarrassed by?
Must be loads. I've done a lot of, sleazy songs. Picturization, nothing that's coming to my mind.
Okay.
Some songs by themselves I'm embarrassed by. Forget about the picturization.
Okay. So give us a few lines from Chand Sifarish from Fana.
Okay, no, that's one I'm very proud of.
Okay, yeah. That's one that you're very proud of. Sure.
Sure.
चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको पता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में पना चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको पता.
Chand, do you feel like there is an actor who your voice suits best? I know that early in your career, actually, you sang a lot for Abhishek Bachchan, didn't you?
That is true. And Abhishek Bachchan is probably the only actor who even recommended my voice to certain of the composers, saying that I'd like him to sing for me.
Okay.
That was the first and the last. But
over the years, of course, you've sung for pretty much everybody, haven't you? I mean, you sing for
the
young.
I sound a lot like Seth, even when I speak.
Okay.
Now, I don't know about that.
Okay.
But I've seen some bad mimics do some good mimics of him, and that, hey, that's not exactly the way I sound. I hope at least, it's not the way I sound. But I'm told so.
Okay.
So maybe I do, and he's a gorgeous guy. It's fantastic, and he always hey, that's my voice and stuff. So that feels good again.
Okay.
And
do you modulate your voice to suit the actors who you sing for?
Not so much the tone of the voice, but the attitude, yeah. As in, there are, like, if I'm singing, for instance, for Abhishek Bachchan, I know that he's a little more restrained. He's got a certain, subtle charm.
Okay.
So I wouldn't want to overdo the emotions when I'm singing a song. I wouldn't go over the top with the enthusiasm because that's his style.
Okay.
But if it's, similarly, if it's Saif, I'd like to keep it a little urban, a little metrocentric. I wouldn't want to make it very, heavy with the Indian inflect, and kind of harkats.
So the little touches, is it?
Yeah, things like that I try and keep in mind.
So before we go into break, let me ask you to give us a few lines from another song that was filmed on Abhishek Bachchan, an item song actually. I think you know which one I'm talking about. A song for which you collaborated with.
That's a grouse I have. That was a song actually done by. Anyway, we're going to go into the break, so I'll talk about it when we come back.
Okay.
I'll sing the song for now.
You know which one I'm talking about.
क्या मैंने सोचा और क्या हुआ क्या दिल ने चाहा और क्या मिला अब जीत कैसी और हार क्या किस पे भरोसा एतबार क्या फिर भी दिल में आस है आंखों में तलाश है वो तुम जो साथ हो एक सुबह आएगी रोशनी जलाएगी ओ अब की जो रात हो one love after the break one love we'll go into the break one love and we come back we'll talk about more of the song one love because
it's one of those songs that don't stop.